Creating a holiday calendar in Confluence helps teams keep track of company holidays, planned leaves, and other important dates. Here's a step-by-step guide on setting up a holiday calendar in Confluence. Go to the Calendar section. Open the Confluence page where you would like to add the holiday calendar. You can create a new page or use an existing one. Add the Team Calendars app. If your Confluence site has the Team Calendars add-on, it's ideal for creating calendars directly in Confluence. Click on the plus button or use /team calendar to insert the calendar. Create a new calendar. Once in the Calendar section, select Add Calendar and name it something like Holiday Calendar for easy identification. You can choose to create it as a custom event type if you want more control over the categories. Add events. Start adding holidays by clicking Add Event. For each holiday, set the date, event name, and select all day to make it clear it's a full day holiday. You can color-code holiday events to stand out. Share the calendar. To make the calendar accessible to your team, set permissions appropriately and consider embedding it on a team or department page.